Hi, welcome back on the J320F channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and memory card in your Samsung Galaxy J3 2016. To insert the SIM card, just go on the back phone here and there is a little hole here. So release that the upper and you have your place for the SIM card and the memory card. And I will show you the size of the SIM card which you need to insert it. So it's the middle of the size here, like this. This is the proper size of the SIM card and the phone. And first SIM card should be inserted here. The second should be inserted here, gently, yes. And the memory card should be inserted here, like this. If you have two SIM cards, so we're gonna create the new and insert the second SIM card here. And in this case you have both of the SIM card and one memory card is in. After that, just insert your battery, your back cover in, and just turn on your phone. And your phone gonna see the network and the memory card into. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!